two lawmakers from the United States House of Representatives are currently in the Philippines seeking to strengthen bilateral ties between Washington and Manila, while the two countries are conducting joint military exercises. In a statement on Monday, the offices of House of Representatives Speaker of the Philippines and Representative of District 1 Leyte Ferdinand Martin Romualdez confirmed that Reps. Seth Moulton, Massachusetts Democrat, and Mike Waltz, Florida Republic, were in the country. Their visit came as the first phase of a two-week joint military exercise was launched in Zambales. War games are anticipated to feature live fire drills.
They're doing a barrel change.
The two U.S. lawmakers were greeted by Senator Amy Marcos, the sister of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., and other MPs such as Representative District 3 Pangasinan Rachel Arenas, Representative District 2 Marikina Stella Quimbo, and District 1 Representative Camarines Sur Suyoshi Anthony Horibata.
I'm not going all the way.
According to Romualdez's office, Moulton and Waltz are both members of the U.S. House Committee on the Armed Forces. The visit of the U.S. lawmakers, who are both members of the U.S. Armed Services Committee, comes as 2,550 U.S. Marines and their 630 Filipino colleagues begin the first phase of their two-week joint military exercise, a Romualdez office source said. This is the first time that joint military exercises have been held under the administration of President Ferdinand Bongnong Marcos Jr., and these war games, dubbed Kamandag, or Cooperation of Marine Soldiers, will last until October 14th and include joint live fire drills featuring aircraft and the high-mobility artillery rocket system, as well as amphibious operations along the Zambales coast. Province, he added. South Korea and Japan also sent their troops as observers, the statement continued.
Keep up, sir.